On Thursday, March 2nd, 2023, our former Chief Engineer and Conductor, both advocates for our park's train, drove their final run at Fun & Sun RV Resort and Retirement Community in San Benito, Texas. Many park residents came out to wave and wish Scotty and his wife Rowe well as the train paraded the park. Over the years, Gary Scott, known as Scotty in the park, has done many great things for the park and residents, including organizing trips to sporting events, Fun & Sun Players, the park's theater group, supporting Strassenfest, and organizing the Superbowl Pregame Party, as well as announcing for the RC car track races. Rowe, along with her conducting duties, also did lapidary. Being an avid reader, she also made good use of the park's library. But the crowning achievement of both Scotty and Rowe is their support of Fun & Sun's train throughout the years as Chief Engineer and Conductor, respectively. It takes a lot more effort than people realize to keep a nearly 70-year-old train running, a very unique feature of Fun & Sun. Good luck, Scotty and Rowe. Fun & Sun will miss you.